Hey, guys, Chuck and guess who's back? Glenn. He and Teddy behind the camera. We're down in Texas and Houston.
Just landed.
And yeah, just got back here and had a big successful open house at our Texas branch. So we're really excited. Yeah, a lot of good support down there. So thank you to everybody.
Good people. Yeah, lots of good people.
Listen, most important thing we're going to talk about today, and the only thing is Lutron is having, a lot of manufacturers, by the way, are having a reduction in manufacturers' advertised pricing for the Black Friday, and that's what this is about. We participate, so they gave us an opportunity to buy a little lower and we could advertise a little lower. Guys, this is their basic kit. I love this stuff.
The most popular kit.
Most popular kit. Listen, real simple. This is the bridge, and that, let me tell you why they call it bridge. It bridges the communication between your wireless network at your home and the Lutron, because Lutron doesn't really speak wireless. Right. It speaks Lutron. So it bridges that. So once you plug this thing in, hook a cat wire to your router, and download the app, and you're talking Lutron. And then this little box right here looks like a pack of cigarettes, kind of in the old time. This goes in the transformer, plug your jump wire in, and guys, you can program this thing. You don't even have to really program, it's kind of somewhat automatic through the app, through the Lutron app on your cell phone, and you're operational.
It's so easy. I brought some of this home, I don't know, 2 weeks ago, and I didn't bring it home for a transformer. I brought it home to use in my house, because this isn't actually just for a transformer. You can use this and anything, you put it into an outlet in your home, whether you plug a lamp into it or anything, you can control whatever you plug into that with your phone or with the Pico.
Yeah, oh yeah, I wanted to tell you, a little Pico. So this thing comes as a kit. The bridge, what they call it a lamp dimmer, but really you could call it a transformer module if you want, and the little remote. The idea is you can run it off your cell phone. In fact, once you set it up, you're never really going to, mine comes and goes automatic. But I do have a Pico bedside, and you just boom, boom, and it's on, boom, it's off. Yeah.
I never thought that I would use the Pico. And I bought the kit that came with the little pedestal stand. And my kitchen light, I used a switch in my kitchen light. And the way the light switch is horrible. So if you guys have a light switch in your home that is not convenient, in mine you had to walk all the way through the kitchen and turn the light on. Now, right as we come in, I got the Pico. I just touch that and it's on.
And they have a wall adapter for them too. You can, you didn't even know it's a switch. It is a
flat panel, just sticks on. There's no holes to cut or no wiring for the Pico.
So this is the kit, and we went heavy on this kit. It's a single-use kit. We've got them in doubles, where there's two, we'll call it transformer modules, and two Picos, one bridge. But anyway, this is the main seller. Now, normally this is $102, over $100. It's on special for all Black Friday week, $79.95, and that's approved. Guys, you can't buy the bridge for $79.95.
It's a deal.
It's a really good. I'm telling you guys, if you're installers, if you're serious about this, is an opportunity, and once you get hooked, you'll love it.
I am going to put out one caution out there for all the guys that are watching this. If you put this in your home, if you do one switch in your home, I promise you it's gonna cost you money, because your wife is gonna go, well, I want one here, and here, and here. Let's do the closet, the motion sensor for the closet.
Oh, man.
You can walk in the closet. Lutron has a motion sensor that ties to their stuff. You can set the time, 30 seconds, 1 minute, however long you want the closet light to stay on for. They have so many cool things. If you put one piece in your house, I promise you, you'll be putting them everywhere, replacing switches.
And you know my house guy. I've got motion. Okay, we got to wrap it up.
Yep.
But again, so this is it. This is how it looks when you get it in a box. But this is the basic kit, and we've got lots of other options and some other things that are on special from Lutron. So thank you for your time.
Should we say call us first?
Call us first, of course. Yeah. Thank you.
See ya.
Guys, please do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram and Twitter, and like us on Facebook.